There are three things you need to learn to kickstart your cybersecurity career. The very first one is, of course, understanding the basics of networking. The second one is mastering operating systems. Now we're talking both Windows and Linux. And the third one is developing a hacker mindset. There are many good free courses online. Coursera is a leading web page that offers highly quality created material for you. Many of them are free, like this one here, it's called Networking Fundamentals. Now, what I suggest is you go ahead and do this one, and then maybe search onwards for other courses. Now, trust me, when you learn something new, you will find terms, terminologies, and things that you just don't understand right now. And that will make you search for the answer. In that search, you will find more things to research. Trust me, this is one of the things you will learn really, really fast. Now, who have thought about that? Going to a Microsoft web page in order to learn Windows. Now, on their web page, you can go ahead and discover your own path. If you click that link right here, you can see a lot of modules you can go ahead and check out. They are labeled on the minute, and you can even filter them here on the products, roles, level, subjects, and type. I highly suggest you go ahead and take some of those in order to learn Windows a bit more. Now, I guess you're already using either Windows or Linux. If you're using Windows already, and you of course want to learn Linux, the thing you do is to go ahead and check this web page out here. There are, of course, many other web pages. This is a very interesting one. Getting started, command line, text through, advanced text through, and so on. So many different kind of topics here. Also, you can learn about stuff in networking. So just click a link, and basically there are some exercises, quiz, and small questions with a small outline here on the left side. It cannot get any easier than that. And now, the final third part. This is where you're going to develop your hacker mindset. Now, developing your hacker mindset can be a quite challenging task, because now you learned about networking, how it's working, and so on, and now we're going to break it down. Now, this is going to be a very interesting path for you, because you will learn that, you can misuse this or that for something for your advantage. This is a thing that is called hacking. Now, I suggest you go ahead, maybe if this is for you, go ahead and start out your journey on Try Hack Me. Just, knock yourself out. Do whatever it takes. Go to Try Hack Me, get the learning path, complete them all. Why not? Then, when you're done, go to Hack the Box. And trust me, when you are done with whatever amount of learning path from Try Hack Me, maybe I said a good 4 or 5 of them, well then, basically, you can go to Hack the Box, and here you will learn a lot more. It's a little higher difficulty, but you will manage. Now, a word on learning path from Try Hack Me. I highly suggest you go ahead and focus either on the red stuff or the blue stuff. The blue stuff is mainly security and defense-based stuff, and the red one is more like offensive stuff. Now, you can also go ahead and check the green ones first, are just beginner stuff. And if you're totally new, I suggest you take the 4 different beginner courses first, and then decide whether you're going to go red or blue. Now, from here, there's only one thing left, and this is actually getting a job. Landing a job at the first can be quite difficult. So try to aim for a job that kind of like entry level something. Don't get your hopes up too high too fast. Just take something, get yourself started. In most occasions, those companies are going to invest some money in you so you can get some courses and so on, so you can become an even better employee, so you will get your skills even better, maybe even certifications and so on. So that is really what I suggest you do. It is quite simple. No reason to say it's very difficult anything. So how long should you study and do all these things before you go ahead and try and get your first level job? Well, if you have an education already as a baseline, so you already are educated, well, then you can do this in, let's say, a few months' time, and then it should be good to go. But you still need a lot of experience, you need to test your skills, so you will be unsure. And this is just a thing there is. There is no quick fix. There is no, I want to be tomorrow, next month, or something like that, the greatest ever. Not going to happen. Okay? So take yourself your time, learn the basics, practice, get a job, practice. Many years later, you will be the best hacker in the world, or the best cybersecurity person in the world. So really hope that I helped you on this video. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and check out the button below. Click it, subscribe to my video, click the bell, get a notification whenever I upload a new video. It's that simple. See you again online. Have a really nice day.